In today's video I'm going to show you how this garden went from this to this. Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're giving this lawn a complete makeover. So I came in a couple of weeks ago to treat the area and get rid of all the weeds, so it looks like it's just about done its job. You can just see they're sort of all died off by now. So we're just going to start by filling the whole area with some topsoil, as it is quite a bit lower than the patio already. So we're now just spreading the topsoil, making sure we get a nice even finish on top. And then what we usually do is give it a nice roll over just to make sure that we get it nice and flat, and fill in any low areas or where it might be a bit soft. So one final rake over and then we start to roll out the turf. So we're now at the halfway point. Looks good so far. Make sure you leave a like if you think you'd be happy with the results as well. Just cut a nice little circle around that plant. So obviously, as you can see from the piles of topsoil, we're going to leave a bit of a flower bed around that edge and then cut another circle around that little tree on the left hand side. There we have it, a bit of a tidy up, and rake the soil out around the flower bed. And here we have the before shot and then the after. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Would you have done anything different? And hopefully I'll see you next time.